YouTube. Haven't seen y'all in a little bit. Just wanted y'all to get a little update on everything. But first, before anything, look at this snow. This Minnesota snow for you. Snow blizzard on the way. But yeah, man, everything been good with me, man. I just want to give y'all a little update. Just getting out of work, man. Headed home. Well, actually, I'm finna head to Cub Foods. Get my stuff for my shrimp tacos, you know. Yes, sir. Got my little dread stocking cap thing going. Yeah, man, y'all comment below and let me know how y'all Thanksgiving was. Who cooked? Make sure y'all comment below. Comment below. Comment below. Like the videos. But yeah, you guys, everything been good. Me and the fam, man, we been holding it in the road. Yes, sir, yes, sir. But later on, I'm gonna do a reaction video because I haven't seen y'all in a minute. Y'all haven't seen me in a minute. So, y'all comment below right now what reaction video I should do, or what reaction video I should do next time. But yeah, man. Let me update y'all on a couple titles. I mean, a couple topics. How do you guys feel about? I don't remember the topics. It was a couple topics. One of them is, you know, I stay in Minneapolis, so I was just reading last night that the sheriff of Minneapolis was drunk driving and crashed into somebody's car. Can you believe that? But y'all tell me how y'all feel about all gas cars finna stop being made and it's finna be nothing but electric cars. Y'all let me know how y'all feel about that, man. Cause it's crazy. I gotta get me a Hellcat before they start making Hellcats. They finna start making Hellcats next month. Stuff like that. But yeah, I'll be back. Peace. Woo! But it's cold out here in Minnesota, man. Y'all stay away from Minnesota. I can't wait to move back to Atlanta, nigga. Fuck. But I'm going back to Atlanta New Year's though. Back in Minnesota, man. Finna chill and party with the family. Do the countdown with my family, man. Cause you know I got my dad, my grandma, my grandparents, my cousins, my aunties.
In 1,000 feet, turn left onto 11th Avenue South.
So we got all these people in Atlanta. So I'm finna do the countdown. So y'all make sure y'all stay tuned for that video, man. New Year video at ATL, man. That's what I'm gonna do, man. But like I said, I'm getting on work. I'm finna head to Cub Foods, get my shrimp tacos.
Turn left onto 11th Avenue South.
Chill, cause it's snowing outside, man. It's a goddamn blizzard, man. But later on, I'm gonna do a oh yeah, let me get up out of here. Damn snow. Yeah, this part of Minnesota, man. It was coming sooner or later, man. But today, it came. You know? And you can't stop the snow. You can't stop the snow. You can't stop the snow.
In a quarter mile, turn right to stay on Old County Road 15. Turn right to stay on Old County Road 15. In a quarter mile, sharp left onto Revere Lane North.
y'all comment below if this safe or not. Make sure y'all like this video too. I bet you all the ATLians ain't never seen this much snow. And it's just the beginning. Can you dig it? Stop it, Brian. Sup, YouTube? We back for a second part reaction video.
Warning, graphic content, viewer discretion strongly advised.
Stop. I'm not playing with you, little baby.
Пипец вообще, нихера себе.
She's doing a car moonwalk. He's going forward and start backing up on 2 wheels. The motherfucker start tiptoeing. Excuse me, my son. They're playing with the magnets on the refrigerator. You know. Hydroplane.
Oh my god! Oh my god!
Alright, back to the video, you guys. My bad. What's the thing? Whoa!
Holy dude. Oh my god.
Alright, what's gonna happen? Okay. Okay, it's supposed to be over there. If you keep being bad, you're gonna go to jail.
You're so scary. You're so scary.
Okay, bye. Get back. Get back. Leave the baby alone.
Entertain classes here. Why not? This is a verified TikToker school only. So? You're not verified. Everyone has a verified student ID. You need to be verified to go to school here. Yeah. Verified or get out of here. You need a verified student ID. Hey! You need to be verified. Okay, I'll just click. Great. Wait! You are not verified! So today, class... Hold on, sir. You can't attend classes.
Hey! 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 Oh my god!
Damn, who's gonna crush him?
You need to be verified.
Oh, you're gonna say
That was insane.
sit there. Trying to catch him. They're right there. Angry bear. Right.
Hello.
What's that? What's that on the floor right there? What's that purple stuff on the floor right there?
I just came out the room with you. Wait, he has a gun.